Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can boost up your FPS on Windows 10 and Windows 11 in 2025 or 26. You can as well do. To do this, you have to do is subscribe my channel Scale Up and turn on the bell icon to get more notification or more tutorials about your PC and Windows, so you can get more performances on your PC. So let's get started. To boost up your FPS on your PC, you have to do is simply click on the start button, or you can simply press from your keyboard a window button, and then you have to do is simply click on settings. And once you click on settings, you will comes in this page. You have to do is simply click on over here gaming mode over here. Once you click on this, you will see over here game bar as well, or you can see over here game mode. So you have to do is simply click on game mode and then turn this on. If this is disable, you have to do is turn this on and go to graphics settings over here. So once you comes in this page, you have to simply do is turn this on to accelerate your GPU, or like get more performances in your gaming and get more FPS on your PC. So you can simply turn this on and restart your PC to apply the changes. So once you restart your PC, you will get more FPS on your PC, and now you can enjoy your games on more FPS, like 120 FPS or like more. So you can simply do as well over here. So you have to do is the next step is to choose an app to set performances. So you can simply select the app from the Microsoft Store, or like that. You can simply see over here if you it depends on your graphic card. If you have Nvidia's graphic card, so you can simply download that Nvidia's control panel or Nvidia's drivers to get more performances. So once you select the graphic card app or like the application, so you have to do is click on add, and it's going to be added over here, and now it's going to be run all the performances and give you more performances in your gaming, and you can simply get more FPS, or like boost your FPS on the Windows and get more FPS. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like more videos, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.